The relative velocity. Interactive calculator determines how fast one object appears to be moving from the perspective of another moving observer. This calculator has 6 calculation modes in a drop-down menu. 1D relative velocity. Same line, 2D relative velocity vector components. Find object A velocity from relative. Find observer B velocity from relative, time to closest approach, and collision detection and miss distance. For this demo, I'm using 1D relative velocity. The input fields include object A velocity x and y in meters per second, observer B velocity x and y in meters per second, object A velocity, observer B velocity, relative velocity x and y, object A position x and y in meters, object B position x and y in meters, and safety radius in meters. Let's calculate using test values of 10 for all input fields. After clicking Calculate, the results show relative velocity x, relative velocity y, relative speed magnitude, direction in degrees, and the key result, relative velocity equals 0.000 meters per second. This zero value makes perfect sense because when both objects move at identical velocities in the same direction, there's no relative motion between them. Find the link in the description below.